So I have been using the Galaxy Watch for years now, and one of the most annoying thing ever is the battery life. Like I don't mind charging my watch every now and then, but I only notice when it's about to die or when it actually turns off, and when I take it off for charging, I have to keep checking when it's gonna fully charge. But what if your phone could notify you when your Galaxy Watch battery is low and even when it's fully charged? Always know exactly when to put it on or take it off the charger. Well, in this video, I'll show you a simple trick to get Galaxy Watch low battery and fully charged notifications directly on your phone.
Watch charge to 100%.
Once you set this up, you will never have to keep checking your watch battery again. And the best part is that it works with all Wear OS smartwatches like the Pixel watches or OnePlus watches. First things first, open the Play Store on your phone and install the Wear Battery Notification app from the Play Store. Install it on both your smartphone and the Galaxy Watch. Once the app is installed, launch it. As you can see, the setup is to be done on the phone only. So I'll tap on Start. First, you'll have to grant the notification permission. Tap on it and select Allow. And that's it. Now it's connected and will sync the battery percentage in real time. As you can see here, the watch has 9% charge left. Now tap on the three bars at the top left or drag it to the right to open settings and select phone notifications. Here you can customize the percentage as and when to show the low battery notification. Let's set it to the lowest and charging notification to 100%. I'll also turn on this charging started and charging stopped voice announcement. Now, whenever my Galaxy Watch is connected to the charger, I get notified out loud on my phone.
Watch charging started.
Whenever it gets disconnected, I get notified.
Watch disconnected from charger.
Whenever my watch battery goes below the specified limit, I get notified,
Low watch battery.
and I also get notified when it's fully charged.
Watch charge to 100%.
Even shows a live charging bar in the notifications panel, which shows the charging progress of my Wear OS smartwatch in real time. That's pretty dope. And that's how you can get low battery and fully charged notifications from your Galaxy Watch directly on your phone. It's a small feature, but makes using your smartwatch a lot more convenient since you don't have to keep checking the battery again and again. Although the Wear battery notification is a paid app, the convenience it provides for such a small price makes it easy to recommend. For me, it has been totally worth it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to Wearholic for more useful Galaxy Watch tips and tech videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.